Good morning. I love you all and our nation. Now we are celebrating 75th Independence Day with happiness. But do you know what is independence? How we got it? We get independence. Now we are joy and we are having choice of living. We got after a great struggle and sacrifice. There are more highly people come together and fought with Satyagraha like Rajaji, Nehruji, Subramaniam, Radhakrishnan, Vivekananda, V.V. Giri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Annadurai, and we can mention some people also, that is Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, Jhansi Rani, so many others. And Gandhiji, after he called as Mahatma, because after trying a lot we get fruit. Likewise, we got big fruit, that is independence. And that is why he is called Mahatma. Without any trouble to others. He sacrificed his own choice, his own enjoyment. Stop everything. He struggled for India. A great. So we should think of them and that always try to do something for our nation. Thank you for hearing my thought. There are so many incidents in our life also. I want to share. You all people can share with me. Now I am sharing one of my struggle in my life. There are so many incidents. I will mention 2-3 days. Means once my son Manoj Iyer went to trip with his friend, with his college students. While climbing the mountain, he saw one of the girl from his group was slipping down in waterfall of river. The stone surrounding the waterfall was sloping, cannot keep the foot, and in that and already went ahead, cannot come back and balance to stand or hold, and there was heavy rain also. He himself was in trouble, but still without thinking anything at the moment of his own make one's mind, he somehow came back and he saved her life from the water by helping her. And that is the cute and presence of mind. That is the guts. So we also help others, everybody. Whenever come through our life, some incident, we should make one's mind. We should think something is happening. That is also our people. That is also our relation. And we should go to help. That is helping minding. And I am proud of that. And she, her family, friends, teacher all feel happy and was thankful to him. Thankful to him. So I am proud of that. And one more thing, he is such a rememberable son that he has done a historical thing that no son can think of that. He has given my name, Bhagyalakshmi, to a star. Henceforth, it will going to come in present. And the name accepted by the world scholar scientist. And the certificate is with us. And also proud of that. One more thing. One of our building friend, younger than me, name called Ganesh, come from Kurla in Bombay, went America to study. At the age of 18, one evening he was nearby seashore. He saw a small girl fall in river. She doesn't know swimming. Immediately he went save that girl, but at the same time his head get hidden backside. Blood flowed, and then he died because of that. After tomorrow, next day, he died. And miserable is that parents cannot get the body in India. I am always thinking of his sacrifice. I am always telling this because we should note that helping others, people will think about that and them. One more to tell. Once I am in second standard, my brother Vishwanathan Iyer, he is no more now, was in fourth standard from Kurla. We have to go to Matunga Welfare School, South Indian. I still remember, it is July rainy season, about 9:30 a.m. Because of rain, fall under the train while train stopped in Matunga station and nobody saw me. All are busy with their time and work. From getting down with the heavy rush, I fall down in the two between compartment because I am in ladies compartment. He was to pick up me and saw he is very small child and that age nobody immediately understand what and how to do anything or to save me, and train will stop only for 5 minutes. When we waiting for the evening in station, he play always in station and the guard even talk with him. He immediately run to tell the guard who is the god, and then he show red flag. The train stop and that saved me like that to my brother saved my life. He is no more, but always in my mind, he is always alive. So unity is most important. Helping mind is so very important. Likewise, one more time, my second son Murli Iyer. His name is Manohar Iyer, we called Murli. 206, we fall in deep ground in Mape at Domboli at Bombay from Scorpio car which he was driving. That is central lock car, cannot open the door without key. With the steering was stuck and I was fall by back seat to front. My head hidden to steering and my chest nearby that. My son get hidden in the head, was full of blood in head, falling thoroughly. Our family friend also is in our car, called Pradeep. We always remember him. Day before was the marriage of my first son, so he did not, we cannot inform him the message to them. I am filled with ornament, Resmi sari, and my son is in the coat, fully stylish dressed, and all the marriage boxes, sweets item, all saman, fallen in my shoulder. Pradeep take care of everything, but he was shocked shocked of accident, and his legs already in steel rod. Nobody saw me because it fall down in the deep place by my head. I put the horn. Then everybody came, and the police chowki is opposite the place. Take care of everything and send me and us to a hospital. But nobody admitted us. After struggle and late, we can get admitted. But what is I am mentioning here is my son bothering of his blood leakage. He ran towards me, searching of chappals because there was grass at thorns, and they cannot save me. My window was locked. He is worried about me, and I am worried about him.
So mom couldn't come out of the car because of central lock, and below the car it was grass full of thorns. So even if she steps down, she will be uh, she will be hurt by those thorns. So without chappal she cannot come down. At the same time, through the door was not opening, so we had to cut the window and remove her. So at that time blood was flowing through my head. My head was full of blood, but still I was searching for a chappal so that she does not hurt her foot. So even in those incident I was trying to see that she should not get hurt, and at the same time she was looking at my head, and she was keeping pressing my head so that the blood should not flow. So she was taking care of me, I was taking care of her in the whole incident. So that is what she is talking about.
So he is worried about me, and I am worried about him. In Marathi, there is a slogan that माणसाला ओळखायचा संधी मिळालं. That means we get opportunity to find out the person sometime. So I am going to talk about unity. That is what most important now. Again I will continue. Thank you. Now I am going to the song of our nation. Before that I will talk about that, and I will show my drawing just painted by me. In this song, there are 18 actors was together, and the song is singing by Bhimsen Joshi, Amitabh Bachchan, Mithun Chakravarti, Jitendra, Sharmila Tagore, Hema Malini, Lata Mangeshkar, Zabana Azmi, Tanuja, Kamala Hassan, Revati, so many actors together, and Tendulkar is also there. Now,
What is
India
India?
is a country of rich culture, heritage with different colors, religious, languages, caste, and way of life. But there is always unity in diversity. Our spirit of unity got us independence. That is underlined. Our spirit of unity got us independence. And the same is needed for continuous growth and welfare of our nation. Only when there is peace we can develop into a great nation. So we want that. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki jai.
भारत माता की जय.
And this song was sung by so many languages of our India. Thank you. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. मिले सुर तुम्हारा हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा. सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे अलके अलके. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा.
साई तरस है काय तरस एकवट बनिए साई तरस.
तेरा सुर मेरे सुर देना मिले के बने
नवा
सुरताल. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हम चार. जो सुर तुम जो शान प्यारा मिले इन दिन जगन से.
मन जो सुर तुंजो सन प्यारा मिले चने गीत असानो मधुर तरानो बने तने.
मुझे सन तुंजे सने प्यार मिले जन की दरिया बार के. सुर की नदियाँ बह के सागर में मिले.
बदला
को बरसे हालो हले. मेरे सुर देना मिलके बने एक नव सुरताल. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. मुंजे सुर तुंजे शान प्यारा मिले जने गीत असानो मधुर तरानो बने तने.
गुड अटेम्प्ट.
सुर की नदियाँ बह के हर दिशा से.
इसे गान
होले बरसे होले होले இசைந்தால் நம்மிருவரின் ஸ்வரமும் நமதாகும். இசைந்தால் நம்மிருவரின் ஸ்வரம் நமதாகும். திசை வேறானாலும் ஆழிசை ஆறுகள் முகலாய் மழையாய் பொழிவது போல் இசை நம்மிசை. திகடு திகடுதோம் திகடு திகடுதோம் தும் தாம் தம் துதம் தஜம் துஜம் தம் தம் தடம் துடும் தம் தம் துஜம் தம் தம். தகடு திகடுதோம் தகடுதோம் ஹா தகடுதோம் தகடுதோம் திகடுதோம்.
ನಮ್ಮ ದನಿಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ದನಿಯ ಶೇರ ನಮ್ಮೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ದುನಿಯಾ ನಮ್ಮ ದುನಿಯಾ.
నాస్వరము నీస్వరము సంగమమే
సంగమమై మానేశ్వరముం అవధరుని സ്വരമും നിന്റെ സ്വരമും ഒത്തുചേർന്ന് നമ്മുടെ സ്വരമായി. तुम्हारे सुर मारे सुर सृष्टि करू के सुर मोरे सुर सृष्टि करू के सुर
सृष्टि
करू
कोई
के
कोता.
तान. मारे मोरे सुर मिले सृष्टि करे तुम्हारे. मोरे सुर जो तोरे मारो बने अपनो सुर निरालो बने अपने सुर निरालो. माझा तुमचा जुळता दारा मधुर सुराचा बरसती दारा. सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले. बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा.
ले
मिले सुर तेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा. अला ला. भारत माता की जय.
जय
भारत माता की जय.
जय.
भारत माता की जय.
जय.
थैंक यू.